Hey guys, today's video is just going to be a little Christmas decorate with me. I still have pretty much like all the same Christmas decorations I've had like the last couple of years. The only new thing I think is the stockings, which are actually from Peter Alexander, and it's a pajama store. So I actually got Brett and I matching Christmas PJs, which I will take a photo in and post for you guys on Instagram. And the PJs actually came in these stockings, which is so bloody cute. So my actual Christmas tree is from an online store called Temple and Webster. Majority of the decorations are from Bed Bath and Table, so like these crystal baubles and stuff, they're all from Bed Bath and Table, but all these snowflakey type of decorations are from the Christmas shop in the Hunter Valley. All of the little reindeers are also from Bed Bath and Table, and I also got where are they? I got some other random little crystal-y decorations from Bed Bath & Table recently too. Oh yeah, these little things. So these little balls are from Bed Bath & Table. And I also got some stars, if I can find one, on my tree. I just figured I can film in 4K on my phone. So I'm filming in 4K right now. Hopefully it's really good quality. But I also got those from Bed Bath & Table. Then when you come over to the little TV cabinet, these starlights are from IKEA. So is this little table lamp. These little reindeer things are from Gorgeousness Home, which is a little local boutique in my hometown. I believe this is from Bed Bath & Table. I believe this is too. And I believe this is too. Majority of them are from Bed Bath & Table. But yeah, if there's anything that I haven't mentioned that you guys would like some details about, just comment below and I'll do my best to get the details for you. I'm not sure if I'll leave any links in the description box or not, but you can always check out my previous Christmas videos because I believe I did a whole video a couple of years ago actually going through every individual Christmas decoration. So you guys can definitely check that out if you like. Brady actually helped me set up the tree this year. It's the first year we've ever set up the tree together, which is appropriate considering we're now husband and wife. So
upper, middle and working class, all united in admiration.
Christmas tree time!
Christmas.